buses, the regional trains, the close trains, the metro. It's a little complicated, but we manage, don't we? We're hoppers.
Let me explain why I say it was confusing. For my Italy trip, I basically used 3 apps. Trenitalia when I went from city to city, ATM for my travel within Milan, and then my trusty Google Maps. When I checked on the ATM app how to get to San Siro Stadium, I couldn't find it. So I went to Google Maps and found that I had to take one of the suburban lines, S2. So that's why I couldn't find it on the ATM app, because I had to take a suburban train and then take a metro, M5. Here is where it gets complicated. There are 5 metro lines, 12 suburban rail lines, 17 tram lines, and there are 67 bus lines. Oh, and 4 trolley buses too. So I just used Google Maps that told me everything that was available for the route that I was looking for.
I bought my ticket on the app called ATM. And I got my directions using Google Maps because the ATM app I'm not too crazy about. It freezes on me and it does weird things, but I did buy my ticket there. All right. I just noticed that the tram and the bus stops here. I didn't see any bus stop indication or tram. I want to go to Santa Maria delle Grazie for Leonardo da Vinci's fresco. It's the Last Supper. Sign is here, but the stop is over there. There's no sign, but you can tell because the rails are there. But I saw one stop there, so that's why I'm here. I just validated my ticket. I have to take the 12 though. That's not the one. I have to wait. Once you validate your ticket, it's only good for 90 minutes, and I still have to get another tram. These trams are pretty popular. I think the city of San Francisco wanted some of them. I wanted to ride in one, so there's many options. Metro, train, buses, tram. There's mine, the big one. And now let's see if I can get in. We'll try, maybe we're lucky. Now I'm going to go in the subway to buy a card for the metro because my app doesn't work very well. That's why, and like that I get a chance to show you how to buy tickets for the metro inside the metro. Okay, here we are. Language, English. I want an ordinary ticket, 3 zones. Okay, and I paid €2. You could select how many. One, I only need 1. So continue, and then I'm gonna pay with a credit card because I have no cash. So I did that, and it says instructions correct. Printing ticket, and there it is.
And more recently, ATM has announced that they have contactless pay as you go. So touch your card on a reader at the start of your journey and again at the end of your journey. I don't know, I had so many problems reading my ticket that I'm not so sure about this.
This is the metro ticket that I bought. It's an ordinary ride. It's within the zones 1 to 3 of Milan. By metro, we're here in Duomo and we have to take the number 1 towards this direction. So I'm gonna go 1, 2, 3 stops, and then I'm going to change over to the green line, which is the M2, and I'm going down here to Genova. So that means towards Forum or Agasso or this thing here, okay? So I just took the M1 metro from Duomo to Porta Venezia. And now I have to exit. I have to use my card again to exit, and I want to take one of these. They call these lines the suburban lines. So I guess they go to the suburb. The metro is like a subway. There's a number of metro lines, but then there are trains. And you'll see what they look like. Because I have this app and I have this app. So let's leave the metro and go on to the next train. X. Green. Okay, close the door. Oh wait. No? Oh no. We just go straight out. Okay. Alright, so this is where we have to go. Although I am within the 1, 2, 3 regions inside of Milan, but these go further out. I have no idea. We're just trying this out. Okay, so we are here, right, where I showed you guys. I took the M1 and I have to go to Dateo. Alright, so it's actually only one stop, and I can take any of these lines, the green, the black, the red, the brown, the orange, and the yellow. Okay, so basically I could take the S13, the S1, the 6, and the 5, and the 2. I could take any of them. I have to make sure I go towards the right direction, so towards Rovereto, to Pavia, Lodi, Melagnano, and Treviglio. Okay, so but usually they have a map and it indicates if you're going in the right direction. So I'm going this way. Another thing that I'm not totally sure about is if the ticket is valid. I would think it is because it's a transfer. So I guess. We'll see. We'll find out, right? Okay, so let's test it out. Now, I don't know if it's here. Yeah? Yeah? Yes! We did it, hoppers. Now, which one? Any of them. Let's go down. Ay, caramba. Okay, let's see which way. Let's see which direction we're going. Okay, we're going in this direction. See? All these you cannot see. Hence, on this side, this way, see, it even says there it's going to Dateo, Vittoria, So we're going on this side. Let's look at the other one. I'll show you. Okay, so this, you see, Dateo is in gray. Can't see it. So that means this side here, this side is going to all these stops here that I'm not going to. I'm going here. So we have to go to the other side. Many people ask me this. How do you know which side to go to? So here, you see these are all in gray, but Dateo is in black. So I know this goes to in that direction. Any of the trains I can take. And it says Dateo here is the next stop. Let's go. And those are the trains. Make sure we're in the right place. and I was able to use the ticket. It went through, you saw. It was only a transfer and I was within the Milan region, the 1 to 3. Holy shit! I made it. I ran. Hotel is that way. And you see they're all mixed. If you have no idea what's going on, it can get a little confusing. You have the Suburban with the Metro. So you can see it's open. So even though I have a ticket, I don't have to show anything. This way. So I have my super duper poncho. My backpack is here. I think I just missed the rain. Now I'm going from Hotel 1 to Hotel 2. I'm waiting for the bus 54 that goes to Duomo. So I am at Dateo and I'm going to Duomo. Just a few stops. Oh, and don't forget to validate your ticket before you get on the bus. All right? I don't know if I'll be able to film going on the bus because I have a mask, mask, a backpack, a suitcase, a camera, I got the picture, and a cell phone where I have my ticket. Got off the bus over there and you can see it's a totally different area. You're right in the middle of everything. And I'm going to take a tram to go to dinner. I'll show you where I'm going. I'm going by the canals of Milan. I like the tram because you can see more. Okay, the Duomo's right back there, right? You can see the gallerias from here, the mall. All right, I have to take the number 3. I'm at Via Torino and I have to get the number 3 tram. And then I'll tell you where I get off. I was gonna walk it, but it's very hot. And also I wanted to show you guys. So from here, Via Torino, I'm going to go to here, Gotardo. All right? It's only a few stops. Number 3. I always get this wrong. Got off where I said, and then I walked right, and already I see a bridge. Like we're in Venice. Actually, I read somewhere that Milan had a lot of canals. These scooters are another option to get around, and bikes. Even in Google Maps, they give you that option. And now you know how to get around in Milan. I hope so. I'm still not sure about the ticket stuff, but just try it out like I did. Sometimes it works, sometimes it didn't. And don't worry too much about it, okay? But always have a ticket in some form. Okay, hoppers, I hope you like this video.
Thanks for watching. Coming up next, Brescia
train station. Regional train 2627 to Verona, 1325, track 11. It's pretty full. There's no assigned seat, but I'm going in second class. So I am in Brescia.